Gen Next. This is Sonu Sood and you're watching me on Nation Next.
You come from a family where your father was an entrepreneur and your mother is was a teacher. And how did becoming an actor came to your mind?
It happened gradually. I used to model when I was in Nagpur. Then slowly I thought that I should try professionally. I should come to Bombay. So I shared my dreams with my parents and they said, yeah, you should go. And
Did they accept that in the
yeah,
first
very
place?
much. I had doubts that they'll have their own reasons that why do you want to go. You're the only son of your parents. But they were the ones who said, just go and achieve your dreams. I think give you 100% and we are with you. That motivated me to work hard.
So hailing from Ludhiana, Punjab,
Moga.
Moga. Okay, you have acted in many movies. Matlab, language was never a
Right.
barrier for you. You've acted in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and then Hindi. So if you get a choice to act in a specific movie with a particular language, what will that be and why?
I always wanted to do a Chinese movie.
Hmm.
It happened this year, and then I shot for another Jackie Chan film also. But like I said, when you don't know a language, for me, Kannada and Tamil are the same. When I don't know anything about the language, so the kind of effort that you need to put in to do a scene is the same.
Yeah.
But like I said, I would like to explore all the languages that I haven't worked in so far, and do films in every possible industry.
So back in your college days, you participated in Mr. India, but you did not win it. That was your first interaction with Bollywood. Do we expect that modeling is easier or being an actor is easier? And why would you pick that specific field?
When you want to become an actor, you don't have any connections to get into it. So
Yeah.
modeling is the way you survive. That you have to pay your monthly rents, you have to pay your bills. So modeling is something that you start with, and slowly you feel that this is the way you'll get connected with people who are into films and all. So that's the reason I started as a model. And
So, but there are many actors who do not get paid much. Even they have to go through many rents. They have to
Most of
handle,
them. Not many, all
handle
of
their
them,
daily
yeah.
expenses.
Yeah.
I feel both of them are same. So, what do you have to say about that? Like most actors do not work well in the Bollywood industry or in Hollywood.
Yeah. So it's always a tough journey, when you get into this field of acting. It's a very insecure field. No matter how much you achieve, still there can be dead ends and can be a tough times that you have to face. But I think one has to be prepared before they actually get into it.
So your character in Arundhati was named Pashupati,
Yeah.
and then gradually, basically, Pashupati is a bad boy who is an avid art learner, but then he also kills women. So after gradually, you become a good boy. Do you feel such genre is accepted quite well in the film industry, be South or Bollywood?
No, I think the only genre that's accepted in the industry is entertainment. No matter how you entertain them, whether you scare them, whether you make them laugh, whether you show some kind of action, whether you play a positive, whether you play a negative role, as long as you entertain them, the film will work. So there's no hardcore formula in which you do this formula and the film is successful. You just follow your instincts, entertain them, and if they get entertained, your film is ready.
So talking about entertainment, your movies Dabangg and Happy New Year were bash on Bollywood and were through the box office, 100 crore. Now this movie of yours,
Tooth.
that. So do you feel that movie will also cross across the box office?
No, I think numbers are never the challenge. Never when you plan those numbers, they never happen. So you just have to plan for a good film that people should like it, and then the numbers follow. I'm just praying and hoping that whatever efforts we have put in, people should enjoy it.
So
they
but
should like it.
movies these days, they basically made if they cross the 100 crore.
No, it depends on the
office
budget.
and-
What kind of budgets you make. You make a movie of 60 crore and it crosses a 100 crore budget is still a smaller hit than a film that's made on a budget of 10 to 15 crores and it does a 30 crores. So it's double than what you have done it. So it depends, what kind of numbers you spend on your film and what kind of number it crosses.
So do you feel 100 crore movies get more recognition than the movies which are made on small budget?
No, I don't think so like that. If there are films that were made at a budget of 95 crores and they made 100 crores, so it's not a big hit, but still you say it's a 100 crore film. But I would say the ratio of the money spent and the ratio of the money that we get back, so that actually defines a hit.
So directors these days are choosing old album numbers like Kala Chashma, and even in your movie you've used Rail Gaddi. Do you feel this has become quite prominent for the movies to become known for the people, and they've been using these numbers just to highlight
I would
the
say
music
yeah,
factor?
Rail Gaddi is actually Punjabi folk.
Yeah.
You know, it's heard, it's made by many people.
And yes, they've been mainly using Punjabi folk.
Punjabi. So, being a Punjabi, I always have grown up watching and listening to this music. So I always wanted to incorporate in my movie also, which I always wanted to do it, and we did finally. So it was just a conviction, just not to draw attention to someone. Yeah, if it draws, very very good. But I think initially it has to fit in the path you're trying to portray a film.
So while back, when Akshay Kumar spoke to Nation Next, he said that horror comedy is the new genre in Bollywood, and probably the generations would follow it. So how do you see the future of this particular in Bollywood? Subject in Bollywood.
Horror comedy is a very tough genre to explore. So you have to have the right script and right actors to play in. So it's not something that you just think that I want to make a horror comedy and you'll get a script. So you have to have a right script to justify it. And if you get a right one, I think it's quite a safe genre.
So why do you feel horror and comedy go hand in hand? Like while you're watching a movie, okay, we understand that it's a horror movie.
It actually doesn't go hand in hand. It's a tough thing, when you want to scare someone also and you want to make them laugh
At the same
it's
time.
not an easy thing. So I would say they don't go hand in hand, but if you're able to let them go hand in hand, you have a winner.
So how does in your movie horror comedy go hand in hand?
No, it's comedy. It's a situational comedy. That the situation is such that that'll make people laugh. But for the actors in the film, it's a very serious situation. They're doing things very seriously, but it's funny for the people. So I think that makes it work.
So you are known well in the industry for having similar looks with Amitabh Bachchan, and then you have a very chiseled body and a very good physique. So if you get an opportunity to suggest Nagpurians on the basis of your diet and your physique what to follow, a daily routine, what would that be?
I would just like to tell everyone that fitness, there's no shortcut to fitness. It's something that you have to follow all your life. So just be regular, eat right, be disciplined, worship your body. And once you follow those footsteps, I think you'll achieve what you want.
So you were an engineering student from YCC. That's my last question. And you might have had many memories with the college. Would you like to tell some memories of yours?
Yeah, I studied in YCC. I did BE in electronics, and that's the first time actually I left home, left Punjab, and came to the city to achieve my dreams. So all those friends, I still have all the friends from my college days. I still, whenever I get time, I try to go to college and spend some time there to refresh those special moments. And I think that was the best phase of my life. This college, carefree days, and you used to enjoy a lot.
So coming from Punjab, which is a very, the place where you hail from, is a very small town, and then coming to Nagpur, which you might have seen an elaborated form of a city. So how was that transformation? It would have been very new for you.
Because it's a big thing, coming from a very small town to a place like Nagpur. So it was a new thing for me, but I'm glad that I found right friends. And obviously I was busy with my studies also, so didn't get much time. So gradually...
engineers did study back then.
I'm sorry?
Engineers did study back then.
Yeah, because you came with those dreams and slowly you get corrupted in 1-2 years when you feel that you can do in last 3-4 months. But in the initial years, I was quite committed.
Thank you so much, sir. Wish you all the best for your movie.